Hi guys, welcome back to Circle Saturday. Today's class we are going to learn how to draft a sleeve pattern. Enjoy! So for the sleeve block pattern, you're going to fold your paper into half. So our bicep is 12 inches. 12 divided by 2 is 6. The length is going to be 10, or about 10 inches. And then for the sleeve cap, it is going to depend with the bust area. And so for this one, the sleeve cap is 3 inches. And then on this line is where we are going to mark our bicep. Our bicep is 12. Divide by 2, 6. Plus about 2 inches for sewing allowance. Then we are going to draw a straight line from here . Then we are going to find the midpoint of this line. Eight and a half. From this midpoint, you're going to go inwards by 1 inch. 1 centimeter, sorry. You can see the similarity in making the sleeve pattern it's almost similar to drafting the armhole in a basic bodice pattern. I love drafting the sleeve pattern immediately after drafting the bodice pattern. So you're going to take your bodice pattern and you're going to measure the armhole. You're going to fold the allowance. This is not going to be included. So you're going to measure this. And then you're going to measure this to make sure it's the same as what we've gotten from the bodice. If it's not, you adjust accordingly. It was not, so I adjusted it. The sleeve length, it's 10. So from here, we are going to measure 10 inches. 10 inches plus 2 inches for allowance. If you're making a kimono or a dress that has loose sleeves, you're going to you're going to connect from here to here because the sleeve is going to be loose. But for us who are making a tighter sleeve, you're going to take the biceps measurement minus 1. So this was around 6. Minus 1, we are going to get 5. Plus an inch for allowance. And then you're going to connect. So this is going to be your sleeve pattern, but this one is going to be for the front. For the back, we are going to connect like this. And then we cut. So this is the front side and this is the back. You're going to cut 1. You can cut it when it is on fold,